Okay, folks, today we're going to do a video tutorial on the cPanel function in Bluehost. In Bluehost, uh, we've tried so many other hosts. We've tried their back office function, their modules as far as managing and running our business, launching our website, search engine optimization, support services, which is the help section over here, benefits, which you you sign up, you pay $83 for a whole year of hosting, and a custom domain by keyword, folks, and they immediately give you a $75 Google coupon and then a $25 Yahoo and Bing coupon. So essentially they're paying you $17 to sign up. I mean, it's costing you nothing, folks. But we want to we encourage you to watch all of our module overview. What we're doing now is step by step going through simple script process down in the software module. So we've covered a lot so far, but what we're going to do now is we're going to focus on the photo gallery section. That is the photo gallery section. So we're going to just click on the photo gallery section, folks, and we'll go one by one. Basically, let's look at Coppermind to begin with. So Coppermind is basically it integrates a picture script into your website, and again, it's a simple script install. It is a simple script install. It says what it does down here. It arranges pictures and categories and albums, store database. You can upload pictures from a web interface, full multimedia support. This is something certainly worth you checking out, folks. And it is, I mean, look at this slideshow viewer. E-card feature, use membership in multiple groups. This is something you definitely need to check out. But let me tell you, and it's a simple script install, which means it is it's basically a one-step install. But what we want to tell you about all of these categories, folks, is this, and then we'll go to gallery next, and we'll go over to their official website. But what we want to tell you is this, is that one thing that especially entrepreneurs, small businesses, medium-sized businesses have to watch is their bandwidth usage. Again, you have to watch your bandwidth usage, because as we told you, Bluehost makes money. Bluehost essentially makes money by the affiliate offers. Who's there? All of these people are certainly partners of theirs, but you have to understand that once you exceed a certain bandwidth for your multimedia uploads, or how much let's just say how much data is hosted on your websites, whether it be videos or pictures or documents or sound files, whatever that is, once you exceed, you are going to be restricted, or you're going to have to start paying. So one way to get around that, and this is certainly a great service to have, and you can install it on your website, download it right here. So all you got to do is go to these things to understand more about what it is that they do. But we want to give you a piece of sound business advice when it comes to managing your multimedia assets on your website. Understand this, is that every time you upload a photo to the multimedia section, and we're specifically talking about WordPress, definitely it applies to Drupal and Joomla also. URL is assigned to it, and basically that means that's a page. That is a website page. Now, it can benefit you if you know how to properly do on-site optimization, because it'll get indexed on search engines if you do it right. However, it's also hogging up bandwidth space. So what we suggest is this, is that we showed you during the setup piece, we kind of briefly went over subdomains. You can assign a subdomain for your website, for all your videos and all your multimedia things and all of those things. And there's a function in WordPress that will allow you to paste in that subdomain, and that will decrease the bandwidth usage. Me personally, we use actual our custom domains for our images and media, because we don't want to kind of hog up bandwidth on this one on each of our websites. So we paste it in, and when people click on the image or video, they'll go straight to that particular domain, and then we have a little go back feature so they can come right back to our website. But just assign a subdomain to host your images and your files and all that if it makes sense for you to do that. So next we'll go to ZenPhoto, and we'll go to the official website. And also, let me tell you this also about that. When it comes to multimedia storage, it slows down your load speed. If your load speed is too slow, it can certainly without pause hurt your search engine optimization efforts. So what you have here is they have you could do, like, they have screencasts where you can learn about ZenPhoto, and you can do donations to them if you use if you use their thing. So let us show you. We're going to do just a short demo on ZenPhoto. So this is an open source. This is an open source solution also for your just for hosting your media, your files, and they have all kind of cool stuff here, like PHP demos, CMS demos, blogs, e-commerce setups, image galleries, which is what we're focusing on. So we're going to go ahead and we'll go there real quick. But what you have to do, folks, is just kind of sort down through this and see what it is, or if there's anything that these folks can kind of do for you with just building your website. Piwigo, we'll go to Piwigo's official site also. And again, it's an open source platform. It can organize photos, album trees, and it's a one-click install, so you can actually attach this to your website. So they'll organize this for you, and essentially once you use this system, they'll assign a URL or whatever that is, and you can just paste this into the code on your website. Again, we encourage you to use WordPress. We want you to go to website WordPress.net. Again, that's website WordPress.net, folks, and take advantage of that, because you already know that we've taken you all the way from signing up, how to choose a domain name, and we took our WordPress students through simple script installs. We took them through WordPress website setup. We took them through themes. We took them through WordPress SEO, and all of those stuff. It is an incredible value. So let us take you from A to Z, folks, because we've been there. We've rocked websites to the top of search engines. We've created industries. Folks, we've done it, is all that we're saying. We got it excitable, you see, but we're really excited about this stuff. So next thing that we'll do is we'll go to PixelPost, and PixelPost is really actually cool, because what they do here, they just have they have great template tags. They absolutely, and we're going to go on there. They let you download things like these images here, which this would make an awesome PowerPoint background, folks. So we just want to take you through this. There's images you can use, folks, just for your website, and they allow you to download it. It's open source. It's public. These are public files, so you can use them in any way that you choose. We'll go back to page 10 just to kind of show you the depth and the breadth of what they are certainly offering here. And these are just, folks, these are templates. These are skins, templates, mini templates. But when you download them, man, you can use these templates for a multitude of things. I mean, screenshots or PowerPoints or whatever you want, or just keep the image if you like it and use it on your website instead of using that, kind of that whole template. So the last thing we're going to do is go to 4 images in this particular piece anyway, you see. But this is an it's an image gallery management system, folks. And one thing that we want to tell you is that you can go to Wikipedia and when you get to Wikipedia, search Wikipedia Commons, and there's a bevy of free images there for you to use that have been open to the public. And man, I'll tell you what, these types of things just are so exciting to us, because when you think that everything you need, from e-commerce to backup to content management system to skins or websites, everything you need, folks, is here at Bluehost.